perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Good morning, Island Tribe. Oh, go on. Alright, guys, so Babe and Island still in bed. I just want to show you what we have going here so far. That right there is a cucumber tree, and these are some pumpkin, heaps of pumpkin, guys. You know that recently Babe bought a pumpkin and we decided to go plant the seed them, and yeah, them bust up real quick. See it, so yeah, so I may have this a okra, and this right here is rock melon. Yeah, guys, and right here, and a few cucumber. So I'm want to know, guys, want to use the fork and plow up the place some more, you know, get rid of the grass so we can have a bigger space for plant. You see it, so yeah, this is just one like a patch I do already, so I'm have to get it bigger to do some more. Yeah, guys, that's what's up in my morning. Yeah, it's a bit chilly still, but you don't know, work have to go and see me. So guys, I'm just blow up this little section here. It already have some pumpkin here, so just floor up along the fence side here. Yeah, get out most of the grass and thing, you know. Yeah.
Dad. Pee.
So Grandpa bought this little toilet for Bobo.
Now you gotta sit down on that, Bobo. You gotta pee. Don't put your hand in there. Oh, hi guys. Island has something he wants to tell you all. But now I'm gonna give you to Island. Here we go. Alright, here. Tell them. Okay, I'll hold it. Okay, you talk. Tell them, hi everybody. My name is Island. And I learned something new today. What did you learn, Island? I love you. He learned that today. I love you. Yeah? Talk, Island. That's fine. Nobody's gonna care. You talk on the camera. You say hi to everybody. Here, in here. Hi. Yep, that's what you do. Yeah. Yep. Island.
I love you.
I love you. Tell everybody today is Saturday and we're relaxing. Okay. Yeah, put it down and then we hold it like this. Show everyone your car. Where's your car? Daddy, his car. Talk about your car. Who bought it for you? Who bought you this? Who bought you this, smart boy? Intelligent. Mr. Intelligence. Okay? What? Show me the color. What color? Color. Green. Right. Are you gonna talk? People are watching you. Everyone's watching you. Yeah, everybody's watching you. Keep your fingers off the lens here. Then talk to everyone. Keep your hand off the lens. Oh God. Keep your hands off the lens. Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you crying about?
Stop it, foolishness going on. Put that foolishness on the Child, I'm tired, man.
Oh, man!
I'm tired, man. I want to sleep.
Jesus Christ! Hey, Bobo. Hi. Say hi to everyone. Island. Saturday afternoon, guys, and we're just sort of chilling, you know. Gone for a little walk, lazy day.
Bored at home. Not really bored, but nothing to do, so we just decided.
No, sir. There is plenty to do, but we decided that we didn't want to do anything.
Yeah, because days are gonna be like that.
You know, so we just decided to chill out near home, and that's it, really. We're not planning to do anything. I mean, I did plan to go to the zoo, to a zoo. I've never been there before, Macadamia Castle, but we will go there eventually when Babe doesn't feel lazy, because I would have drove, but you know, Babe just feels the type of way. Island, this way.
So it's my first time actually coming to this park. You know, it's just right close to home. Hey, Bobo, careful. Yes, Bobo, you have to wait.
Oh my gosh, guys, that made me really dizzy. I feel like my brain was going to explode.
Oh my God, wait.
Ready?
Yeah.
You hold the camera.
Oh my God. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jesus. Oh shoot. Okay, that's enough, babe. Stop. Shit. Oh shit. Not again. No. I don't like this dizzy feeling. Shoot.
That really made me feel sick.
Oh my God.
I think I was gonna vomit.
Holy crap.
Children, say no to drugs, and say no to swingy things like this too, because ugh.
Yeah. Flush it out, Bobo.
Yeah, flush it out. Flush it out, Bobo. Flush it out. Bobo's like, flush it out, Bobo. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, get that business out.
Get it out of you, son. Look at these two guys. Aren't they just adorable together?
Ah! Jesus, Bobo.
You just hit Daddy in the face. It was our anniversary on the 14th of October. That was when Babe asked me out. Not a wedding anniversary or that. It's just when Babe asked me out, when we started dating. Wow. Exercise blocks. You go on, run up and down them.
That's what it's not.
Yeah. Are you trying to do dance hall?
Nope.
You know, that actually really made me dizzy. Look how pretty the moon is, Babe, up there. You swing on it.
Oh, so you just come from?
Yeah.
Like just, you sure it's will?
Yeah, I'll hold.
No wind?
Yeah. It's like a workout thing. Like a maze thing.
So they have like a little comfy thing going.
Yeah. Like a survivor thing.
Yeah. I can't do it my slipper. Gotta get up there. No, that would have been that drama for the vlog. Ooh.
Oh my god, you don't even, your gula doesn't even fit on it.
He's moving faster than us.
Yeah, and then you jump on these and you jump all the way. You run on them. Go, run. Quick, run. I don't even know what you have to do on that. Look, Island, look at Dad.
Uh-oh.
You have to climb on it, but you can't. You're too big. You have to climb to the top and then turn over and then climb back down.
What?
You have to climb to the top
And do what?
and then turn over and then climb back down through the other side of the
Over
road. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you can.
No.
Yeah, go on, do it.
Do what?
You can do that. You're not that what? Fit. I don't think... I think you're doing it at a very slow pace. Trust me, I can't do it either.
You need gloves, man. You mean go all the way up? Hey, stop it. Hey.
Ale, what happened?
Careful.
Island, tell everybody something. What are you doing? Island, tell everybody what you're doing. Island, tell everybody what you're doing. Music, okay. Yay, and how do you do that? Can we learn too? Can we do music together? I love you. I love you. You alright? You're very lucky you didn't get dashed down up there. I didn't dash your pants.
The rope is very...
Oh! That's alright. You're alright. Get up. Get up. Get up. You're a strong boy. Yeah, get up. Good boy. Yeah, high fives. High fives.
Rough boy.
Go, go. Go, Daddy. Go follow Dad.
Go. Highland.
Go.
Highland, look. Go.
Go. Go, Daddy. Wow. Go, Daddy. Go.
Come on.
Go. Go on.
Come on.
Go, Bubba. Go.
Let's go.
Yay!
Good job.
Good job, Bubba. Mommy's wearing a dress, otherwise I'd go too. Do you want me to go? Oh, he wants me to go. Okay. Nobody at the back there can see me.
Hey, Bubba.
Hi.
Yes, sir. Good job. Good job. Look at him.
Yucky. I don't know which way he's gonna go.
Highland. I lost ya. Come here. Take your time. Take your time. Meet Ted.
Oh.
Come to Dada. He's so active.
He loves he loves the outdoors for real.
You want water too? Then shut off the water for you. You know what I go on with the water?
What going with the water, boy? Let me shut it off on you, boy. Zit. Let go. Come on. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Para acá, vamos. Vamos a caminar. Rosemary, veggies, tomatoes over that side.
Nice little school.
Preschool, I think, yeah. Before they start sorting. Rosemary, veggies, tomatoes over that side.
Nice little school.
Preschool, I think, yeah. Before they start sorting.
Hey boy, come here.
Yeah, you be careful because you could be here. Mom! We're going back.
Shit.
No, come this way. Come, Mama. Snake. Thanks.
Don't choke her.
Oh my gosh. Don't not joke around that, babe. Don't not joke around that, babe. I'm trying to keep you alert.
Don't touch it. A nice little basketball court here as well. And I don't do them kind of sports the same.
Oh, you can charge your phone here. That's one thing I never realised at Kingston Airport. Is there like charging docks to charge your phones and stuff?
I didn't notice.
When you were in Montego, did you see any charging spaces like to charge your phone and stuff like while you're waiting for your flight?
To be honest, I didn't even notice if there was. I didn't see anybody
I don't know.
charging, so I didn't take notice of that. I'm not sure.
Jamaica was amazing. When I rocked up with Ireland, they let me come straight through.
Here, babe?
Oh.
Show them. What are we doing over here?
You're on school
Security
ground.
notice.
You're trespassing. Trespassers will be prosecuted. But we're just walking.
Oh my god.
And it's an island. We're with babies. So it's not like.
I think I broke the law for you.
You see, they have the gates open.
I think I broke the law for you.
Yeah.
Look at the island, guys. Trying to catch the bird.
He's trying to catch the bird. Come give me a hug. Give me hugs, here. Yay, 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 yay. Yay, 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 yay. I love you. Okay, good.
Say hello.
Hello. Say hi. Oh. Everybody's gonna know what you doing, Island.
Uh-oh.
Come on, let's go car. Boom, boom. Come on. Needs to go higher. Dad! That's funny, guys.
When I was younger, this is how my father used to carry me a lot, you know?
Aww.
Yeah.
Aww, that's sweet.
No, yeah.
Island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy that loves to sing. Island, 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 island.
Ow. Whoa, it's loaded. So guys, we decide so after that little walk we decide to drive come on different spot, which is a lake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it seems like quite a few people here. Because we decided we wanted to take some drone shots. Yeah, so you know, practice with the drone a bit more because you know we're still learning it. But yeah, people out.
People are out and about, guys.
That's it.
Like I
down
lost
there.
my voice. Wow. Interesting.
Yeah.
Just have to be careful because I don't want to go swimming.
So guys, I just realized like it's mainly what you call it, boat ramps on the back of these vehicles, you know. So yeah, they take their boats here and go fishing,
I think so.
or just they just go for a sail.
I think it leads somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happened to your voice all of a sudden?
No, just because I've been laughing so much.
What the hell? Guys, her voice just changed all of a sudden, like her voice gone. But yeah, it's interesting. Beautiful sun going down, and my beautiful wife here that's glowing with it.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, my sweetheart.
Yeah.
We're going down there. These trees look 100 years old, guys.
Man.
Literally. This is where I came, guys, to do my photo shoot.
Yeah, when you were pregnant.
with Island, yeah.
You're real.
I think people do swim here, but I think it runs off that channel we were at the other day.
Okay.
Alright.
One thing creeps me out is how dark the water is, yo.
Yeah, there's no crocodiles here, though.
Yeah.
There is definitely fish.
Yeah, something just moved there. Me Jesus.
You can go down here, maybe?
Careful, babe. Oh,
Wow, these fruits are berries, babe.
berries?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, these guys are berries. You can eat them. But
Berries.
you eat them when you eat them when they're dark, like
Okay.
a dark purple,
Oh.
like that's dark there now.
Okay.
You can eat that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I have to keep Bobo in my arms here because you ain't going in that water here, boy. I didn't even realize this is a guava tree right here. Getting the drone already. Alright. Oh, you gotta put that one
Down
bring
and then
that one.
open that one.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys.
There you go. Turn it on.
I don't think it's charged.
It was full charge. I don't take the battery run down on its own, hopefully not.
It's not going.
Alright, so it's finally on. Gonna have to just place it in the center.
Woyoy.
Oh, big mosquito. Jesus. At first, we're having some trouble starting the drone. So, seems like it's good now.
Oh God, this is a fail.